Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we're going to be starting Mediterranean landscape, and I will be starting right up here in this corner. The color is 995. So how is everybody doing? What a day, huh? It's Monday. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me bring you in now. Okay, let me get you so close that you can actually see what we're doing. Yeah, and get my light on everything. Yeah. Well, yesterday I did not do much at all. I did manage to take a 2-hour nap. I just couldn't handle it anymore. Just done. And I stitched on Megazilla, and I started that brown house landscape thing that I got from AliExpress. I sorted out all the little thread bobbins, if you will. Yeah, that was fun. I didn't take them off the bobbins. I just used, I had some snack size Ziploc bags that I used to use for when I opened up a can of tuna or salmon for the cat. And no, they weren't previously used, but that's what I bought them for, because it would fit whatever was left in the can, and then I could just get out so much for, you know. So anyway, and it came with like 90 in a box or some stupid thing, so we had plenty of leftovers. But I did actually find some little plastic containers about, no, I don't know, what is that, 4 or 5 inches across this way and about 2 inches deep, so that's what we're using now. Not like you needed to know that, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I sorted them, sort of, like, I put like with like, because some I had 4 or 5, and yeah, it was the oddest thing. But at one point I have some of those plastic things, you know, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, whole things, and I was gonna unwrap one. No, that wasn't happening. So I just tried to contain them in those baggies. And there's no, let me see if I can find an example. See, these that I got, the plastic ones, they had a hole in it. That would have been awesome, because I could have just thread those right through there. Yeah, do I have a hole punch? No. But those weren't quite as big as those hard plastic ones. So, yeah, this was the only thing I could figure out how to do, and yeah, it was a chore, but we got it done. Stitched on that for a little bit. Stitched on the Green Lake, or whatever it is. Did a little bit on that. Then I stitched on, oh, I don't know how to explain it. It was one of the gardening ones. It wasn't Garden Story, it was the other one. The one that I had gotten and counted, and I really wanted it printed. So I worked on that for a little bit. Not making a whole bunch of progress here. And I did notice that this is not Egyptian cotton. This is just regular DMC. You know how the spring kits, if they're in 14 count, they make them with Egyptian cotton. This is not Egyptian cotton. So, but I thought this was a pretty blue anyway. Just gorgeous. Now, if we finish all these little places, we can go up and then we can go over that way. But we'll just start right here and work our way through. And before I forget, I had some people send me some pictures. So I am going to put them right in here, and it's going to take a hot moment. So enjoy the slideshow while I'm stitching and yapping away. So thank you for all of you who sent pictures. They're beautiful, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Love them all. I especially love that yellow cat with that snail. Like the cat's coming out of the grass watching this snail walk across it, so to speak. Just beautiful, beautiful cross-stitch kit. I don't think I've ever seen that one. It was just absolutely gorgeous. Great job, all of y'all. Great job. Come on, thread and needle. So I worked on 14 count. I worked on 11 count. I worked on, oh, well, not yesterday, but I have worked on silk this weekend. So we've run the full gamut of threads. I didn't get out Colorful Town. Yeah, now I have a new Colorful Town to do. This is going to be stunning. I was going to start with this lime green that's everywhere. It's 310 black. That won't be happening for a hot moment yet, no. I wanted color today. I was going to start with one of the little houses that are there, and there's like a number 37, so it was kind of prevalent, you know. Well, it was a pale yellow, so I opted to go for the sky. And this may be one of those that I start from the top and work down. I just don't know. It's got a little tiny confetti, you know, just sprinkled, you know. Oh, and that brown landscape. Oh, I want to cry. It's like London and New Orleans. Confetti hell. Yeah. Especially in that building, because I wanted to start with the building. So, yeah. So, needless to say, I only got one color, you know, 1 6-strand thing done, because I couldn't deal. I said, well, maybe another time when I'm not tired. But I think I put, over the past 2 or 3 days, maybe 3 full strands of color into Megzilla. So I'll show you that all tomorrow on YouTube. Gotta get rid of this thread. Such a beautiful color of blue. Just blue, beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I gotta put my needle away because, you know, I get talking and then the needle goes south. I was stitching over there in my rocking chair and I hit the end of the needle and it went flying. So I I have needles over there. I got another one and then I had to get up and go do something, and there was that needle right there on the floor. So I found it right away. The cat doesn't seem to be interested in any of the crap on my desk. So, you know, I never come and find it in disarray. And when I'm working on the couch, I always put stuff away at night. So, you know, the temptation is not there to play with. So, yeah. She's not real curious. I don't know if it's because... Sorry. We're going to come this way a bit. If she's older, you know, and she's not a kitten, things don't, you know, pique her interest, you know, or anything like that, like a kitten's would. So, which is perfectly fine with me. I don't care. The only thing that she's ever really played with were those mice that Jill sent. And she'll bat them around, and then she'll be done. she won't. Every once in a while she'll seek it out, but not too often. I got her balls that had bells in it. Nope, didn't want nothing to do with those. She batted them to the far corners of the bedroom, and I never heard them again. She does like her scratchy, I don't know what you'd call it. It's kind of shaped like a V like that, and then it's got a flat spot in between. And it's made out of corrugated cardboard. Very good cardboard. You know, I'm not flimsy or anything. And she scratches on it all the time. Not all the time, but like she'll jump down and scratch on it for 2-3 minutes and then she's done. So she's definitely used that. That was a good investment. The thing that it has the balls in it, you know, you bat it and the balls go around in a circle. Nope, not having it. It's still sitting in the middle and I never hear her playing with it. So she's just not a cat that likes toys, I guess. I have no idea. Never had a cat like that. So here we are. Oh my goodness, I gotta go to work today. Jeez. Fun times. We'll see how busy it is. And what's going on at work. It's always something, but I expect it to be pretty tame, you know? Because next weekend is the hoopty. The last hoopty of the season till we get to Halloween, which is no big deal. Thanksgiving and Christmas, and people come, you know. Thanksgiving, not so much. They don't go skiing or anything. It depends on the year. If they get lots of good snow, then they come skiing, but not so much. It's usually Christmas, and then we're lucky if they do have enough snow. On this side now, it might be totally different on the other side of the mountains over by Breckenridge, Frisco, that kind of stuff. So, yeah, we'll just do this little corner right here because, you know, it's just right here hanging out. This has such gorgeous thread. Such absolutely stunning, gorgeous thread. Hold, please. I can't get my fat fingers in there. To make it any smaller. Come on, scissors. Get alive. Don't. Oh my goodness gracious. But yeah, I think this will be beautiful too, just like Colorful Town. So, and I just love the watercolors. All of these blues, you know how I am. Whoops. Where you going, little girl? Quit talking and stitch. Everything seems to be, you know, printed right. So, we'll see how that all goes. What else can do? Didn't watch anything exciting last night on TV. I don't know. I spent more time sitting in the rocking chair and stitching and looking out the window. It was a pretty good day yesterday. The sun was out. It was just... Whoops, let's not stitch over a stitch that we already have. Have y'all done that? I just love when that happens. Because it's such a dark color, I can't tell. that I've already stitched. Fun times. So I just stuck to the normal stuff, you know, and listened to music and just sat there and relaxed, made myself big breakfast. I usually do that on Sundays. And then I don't eat until night. And I got out hamburger the other, what was it, Saturday night, and I made a hamburger patty with French fries, and that was totally yummy. I don't know how much thread we got here, but we're just gonna start somewhere. So I finished that up. That's where I was going with that. I finished that up last night because it was not bound to last. So I had another hamburger patty. Just something simple. I told you I got all the red beans and rice scrap put in the freezer. So that's all secure and waiting the first snowstorm, or when it gets to be fall and chilly. That's when I really want that kind of stuff. Never did get the trash out. What can I say? Some days I just, nope, not having it. So maybe I can get that done before I go to work. I mean, truth of it all is I could take it to work and throw it away in their trash, but nah, our trash is good. So it was just kind of a nice, quiet, relaxing weekend. Not too much going on. Oh, geez. Did get to go to lunch with my daughter, so that was fun. Boy's thread really is dark. When you get it going in two different directions, you better pay attention to what you're stitching on, or you put another whole stitch across the whole thing. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed everybody's projects, whether they were finished or not finished, or they're just beautiful. Thank you guys for sending them to my email address, and I'll try to get them on as quickly as I can, you know, in the next stitch with me. And if it's not that one, then it'll be the next one. So hang in there, we'll get them all there. Well, we got that all in. Phew. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. Let me pull you out. My goodness gracious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.